Okay, don't fall. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today you just get to see what's going on down here below, and I have some little hands here to help me with my project, and we are going to do something that I've seen out there on YouTube. This woman did what they call the kangaroo cup. Our cups are a little bit different, so what should we call our cups? Yeah, speak louder. You don't know cup? How about the we don't know cup? Alrighty. So what I'm doing is I'm going to hot glue this plastic cup inside here. We're going to put main colors like white. I think what color did you want to do first? White or black? White. Okay, so you'll do white and I'll do black and white. So we'll see. And we're waiting for the glue gun. Okay, so while we're waiting for the glue gun to heat up, today we are going to be using the artist canvas. I get these from Amazon. They're small canvases. They're just 19 inches by 12 inches. And what colors did you want to pick? Pink. Okay. All right. What kind of pink do you want? Do you want that kind of pink? This one? All right. What other colors do you want?
Yellow.
That color yellow or that one?
It's that.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. And one more color.
There's purple.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have Jen Crafts. We have a violet pearl. And we've got our favorite sunflower. We've done quite a bit with that lately. And we got a pink that we have not used. This is Crafter's Mark. And it's a neon pink, so that should be nice. We're going to do 2 pours today. We'll do the first one. I can smell the glue, so I think it's getting hot enough here. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the cup, and these are Dollar Tree cups. We're going to attach them to the inside, and we're just going to let that dry. Hopefully it stays put. And we'll do another one here. You said you wanted to start out with white?
Mm-hmm. My favorite color is pink.
Your favorite color is pink. All right. All right. So let me get some mixing cups. All right. We're going to mix some paint with Floetrol. Floetrol is a paint conditioner. You got 3 colors in it. And it allows our paint to go just a little bit further. And I think we're going to have this white here. If our cells don't pop up, we'll use that white there. So what we do is we put just a little bit of paint in here.
A little bit goes a long way.
That's right, it does. There we go. We used this yellow the other day. Purple. This is a pretty purple. Not pretty. It's just kind of shimmery purple. We have. That is a pink.
It's like, called something.
Called something? Yeah. Alright, got the Floetrol in here. I may have to get a little bit more.
Oh, it was like a neon pink.
Neon pink, that's right. It was neon pink. I think we're going to need some more.
What is that?
This just makes the paint do some really cool, fun stuff.
Wow.
It's easier to put it in a cup and pour it out than it is this big old thing. All right. Here. There. Okay, so here's the stir stick, and you can stir that one. Stir this one, and just stir it so the color starts to come out.
I can see the yellow.
You can see it? Yeah, you can, can't you? See here.
It's coming up.
There you go. It sure is. All right. Stir this one.
This is do with mine.
Yeah. They're going to be pretty.
So
Okay, I have, and the white that I have mixed up is over here. And this is the Crafter's Mart white with the Floetrol. So, let's put the white in the cup. I'm going to fill it up pretty good. Alright. And we're going to put these colors. Let's do...
So I know how it's gonna turn out.
Okay, so tell us how you think it's going to turn out.
So it's gonna be like a sunset, and like there's gonna be like pretty clouds, and it's like gonna like be like so magical.
Magical. Okay, so you see what I'm doing to this cup here? Uh-oh, that's going to cause some funny things. Okay, so pour a little bit more pink in here.
It looks cool.
It does look cool. Purple. Yellow. We'll do another layer. Might as well use them all, huh?
Grandma, what's your favorite color?
My favorite colors are gold, black, and white.
Oh, that's nice colors.
They are nice colors. Alrighty. Oh, we got it in there again. Alright, let's see. I might use this. Alright. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going to put a pillow, what they call a pillow of white.
Oh.
Let's cover this with white before we put that down. Should have put some puppy pads down, huh?
Yeah.
We'll probably be messy.
Hey, what is puppy?
Tries to keep Grandma out of too much mess. Yeah.
Oh, like this thing that like won't get on the table?
Yeah, like that.
So I saw this YouTuber guy. His channel is like ZHC, and like he had like these markers. These markers are like they're like markers that are paint, and that like they're like so cool.
Yeah.
That, you can like do all sorts of fun stuff. Right?
Let's see how the bubbles are starting to pop around.
Did it end?
Should still be recording. It's
I
just,
see.
okay. Just in case we make a mess, which Grandma normally does.
Oh yeah.
So good at spilling stuff. It's just kind of funny. Okay. Okay. So what I need for you to do is kind of just move the paint around. So kind of like putting icing on a cake. Just kind of move it around. Ah, girl.
I don't have any gloves on, so I'm kind of scared I'm gonna get it.
Oh. It won't hurt you.
Yeah, it won't hurt me. My mom.
All right. You ready for the...
Oh!
Oh, well. You ready for it to pour?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Wow. That looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what we do is we pick it up. wet and cold. That's okay. Grab it good. Hold it steady. It's okay. There you go. Stop it. There you go. Try to keep it on the. There you go. Show the camera. There you go. Okay. It dripped on you? A lot? There you have it. What'd you think of that?
That is cool.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
That turned out really pretty.
Yeah.
Different, huh? Definitely. All right. Well, you want to try another one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See if I can find a place for this to dry. I'll stick it down here. All right.
So what me and my mom did, we got paintbrushes.
Okay.
And we painted it like pink, yellow, and purple. And we kind of like blended it, like all of those, like we like paint like that. And like
Sounds
the
pretty.
Pink, we blended it with the yellow, and then
Okay.
the yellow we blended it with the purple. And then we let it dry, and then we grabbed Q-tips, and then we just started dabbing it with white stuff, and it looked so pretty.
It does sound pretty. All right, so we're going to do this one slightly different. We've got two colors in the little cup. And what are we going to put in the big cup?
The big cup.
What color do you want me to put in there?
Blue.
Blues? How about that one?
Yeah. Oh, yay.
Okay. Mix these guys up. All right. Do some blues. These are kind of weird. Let me shake it up a bit. Okay. You stir that one. Use that. I grab one. We'll stir this
I
one.
wonder what color this one is. Oh,
It's a pretty blue.
It looks so pretty. It looks like the color at our house. Like
It does.
it kind of looks like my parents' bedroom color.
Yeah. Okay. So this one. I'll appreciate this. Watch this. Ooh, that's pretty. You guys see that? Look at that cup. Look how pretty it is. Okay, now this one. Like that.
I see that, and it looks. The results look so cool.
Done. Now watch this. Find it. Woo! What happens is you put oxygen, air, in there, and then the paints will come down. And you just kind of move it around.
It's looking amazing. It looks kind of like a planet.
It does. You just move the paint around. Oh, we got enough paint.
It kind
It does look like the ocean.
Which painting are we gonna give to a person? Which person are we gonna?
Oh, want to give this to someone?
Yeah.
That would be cool. Who are we gonna give this to? That is pretty. Look at that. My gloves have a hole in it. I can feel the paint going inside the glove. What, my glove?
Yeah, the glove. Yep, it looks like it's.
Got my finger in that one. Sorry. I can feel the paint going inside my. That looks cool. It looks like the ocean, doesn't it? Look at that. Isn't that cool? That was very cool. I would do that again.
Yes.
That was fun
Yes.
and very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that was the prettiest one I think I've done in a long time. Good job picking out the colors. I do a high five, but there we go. Alrighty. Alright, folks. Well, there you have it. We did 2 of them that are very pretty. Once they dry, I will share with you what they look like, and we'll do close-ups. Isn't that cool? I'll show you something else that's really cool. Blow. See? Isn't that pretty? Yeah.
Can we do another one?
Can we do another one? Well, we'll do one tomorrow. We got all weekend.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll do a really big one. I got some big canvases. See the big canvases up there? We'll
Yeah.
I love doing this.
Yeah.
I'm just tickled pink the way that turned out.
Maybe you should have it.
You're so sweet. Yeah. Let's got this other one down here drying. So let's stick it down here. The bad thing about if you leave them on the pepper pads, which I've done before, is they stick to it. So we'll stick it here and let that thing dry. We'll clean up our messes.
Maybe like one day when it's Mother's Day, I'll like paint like a